Systems Control is a designer and manufacturer of products that serve the electric utility business, oil and gas business, and now more recently the water business. We've been in business since 1962, celebrated our 50th year in business in 2012.
Yeah, it's been really exciting to watch it grow from less than 100 people when I started to right on the verge of crossing the 500 people threshold.
So we're looking for a lot of welders. Welders are hard to come by nowadays. We also have a lot of assembly tech positions open. An assembly technician is essentially part of a construction crew. We're also looking for wire people and wire technicians, as well as painters and machine operators. So a wide variety across the Florida jobs.
The Dickinson Iron Technical Center and Systems Control have a history of working together. A number of our programs, especially our welding program, auto body and painting, as well as our building trades programs, have come out to this facility to take tours. Students have taken tours so they can see firsthand what kind of job opportunities might be available for them when they graduate from high school.
Before I went to the ISD, I really had no idea what I was doing with welding and very little fabrication skills at that point. I went there for 3 years and learned pretty much most of the stuff I know now.
We need young people to understand the opportunities that are before them, and the ISDs are one of the tools that we can use to do that.
The Dickinson ISD is a major part of helping us fill the pipeline. So the term that we use is pipeline to the people, and there's not a better pipeline to the people than having the likes of the Dickinson ISD locally here.
A lot of kids might get in here and say, I think I want to do this welding thing. So they'll start learning the basics from their class, but then they'll actually come in here and see what welders are doing, see the working conditions, and see it's not a dark and dreary environment. It's a nice, well-lit, clean shop where they can come to work every day, enjoy their job, have a safe working environment, and go home safe at the end of the day.
Some of my favorite things at System Control have to be the people I work with. Everyone gets along, everyone communicates well. It's a very safe and clean work environment, which is, that's really good when you're my age and you have a long career ahead of you.
Michigan Works, we put people in jobs. We change people's lives is what we really do. As companies are looking for people, they're looking for talent. We evaluate people, we evaluate their talents, and we try to mesh them all together to find a perfect fit for a company, to make them a better team to work together.
Michigan Works has talent advocates and business specialists, and they collect all of the talent in the UP and part of Wisconsin as well. And they send us resumes of qualified candidates that we can move forward with.
The number one thing that we hear from employers is having students that come in with a strong work ethic and strong employability skills. So that's something that we stress with all of our programs. Specific skills within welding, Systems Control has donated metal to us for our students to practice on, as well as sponsoring welding competitions where students will perform similar tasks to what they would be expected to do here at this company.
If I had any words of advice to give to a student that was thinking about going in the ISD, I'd tell them to for sure do it, because it's a great learning environment. The teachers are great.
Michigan Works has done a great job throughout the UP actually trying to coordinate with the workforce. We're definitely on the same page in trying to get young people involved where the careers really are, and that's kind of the key right now, is where is the opportunity, where are the careers? It's one thing to have an idea of what you'd like to do, but what really is out there? What are the careers available to you, and where can you make a living? And right now we're seeing in the Upper Peninsula where the career tech side of things is really the way to go. There's so many opportunities right now.